Join me as I dive into the mystery and challenge myself to reveal exactly what's inside my computer. I'm super excited to take you guys on a tour inside my computer, showing you all the awesome components that make it tick. We'll be exploring what each part does and how they all work together. Lots of people think computers are like magic boxes that just work somehow. They don't really understand what's going on inside. I used to be like that too, until I decided to open up my computer and see what was really going on. To be honest, it's pretty easy to get by without knowing how your computer works. But understanding the basics can help you troubleshoot problems and even upgrade your computer in the future. Some people might think, why do I need to know about this? I just want to use my computer to browse the internet and play games. But trust me, it's actually pretty interesting once you get into it. My computer has a few key components that I want to show you. First up, there's the CPU or Central Processing Unit. This is like the brain of my computer, handling all the calculations and executing instructions. The CPU works closely with the RAM or Random Access Memory. This is like the computer's short-term memory, where it stores data it's currently using. The more RAM I have, the more things I can do at the same time without slowing down. Another important component is the GPU or Graphics Processing Unit. This is like a special helper that takes care of all the graphics and video rendering. It's what allows me to play games and watch videos smoothly. My computer also has storage, which is like its long-term memory. This is where all my files and programs are stored, even when I'm not using them. I have a solid-state drive, which is super fast and reliable. One cool feature of my computer that I want to share is its liquid cooling system. This is a special setup that uses liquid to keep my computer's components at a safe temperature, even when I'm pushing it to its limits. This system is really important because it helps prevent my computer from overheating and getting damaged. It's pretty fascinating to see how it all works together. The liquid cooling system is definitely one of the most interesting parts of my computer. It's not something you typically see in a standard computer, but it's worth it for the performance boost. I was amazed by how well it works, and I think you will be too. It's definitely worth considering if you're building your own computer or upgrading an old one. So that's a quick look at what's inside my computer. I hope you guys learned something new and got a better understanding of how all these components work together. If you've got your own computer, leave a comment below and tell me about your experiences with it. Have you ever upgraded or fixed something yourself? Also, be sure to check out my other video on tech tips, where I share some super helpful advice on keeping your computer running smoothly.